What's up, Diecast fam? Your boy Big A here. I hope you and your loved ones are doing well. In today's video, I have a quick unboxing, so let's get to it, guys. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Alright, so let's start up with this Amazon Prime package. And disclaimer, kids, do not do this without adult supervision. Preferably have your parents do this for you. And make sure that you always cut away from yourselves. Alright guys, so now that the package is open, let's get this thing out of here. Boom. Here we have this beautiful Pandem Toyota GR Supra V1 in a beautiful orange color. Look at that, guys. I love the black accents all around. It's got the Toyota badge. Check out that grille. Check out the headlight detail, black interior, the side rear view mirrors. It's got the Pandem decal on the top of the wing, and on the back it appears to have some louvers, very small ones. You can see the exhaust pipes, tail light detail. It also says Pandem on the plate. It says Supra right above that, and it's got the Toyota badge above the Supra decal. Very cool. All right, let's get to this one over here. Again, kids, if you're watching, do not do this without adult supervision. Preferably have your parents do this, and make sure that you cut away from yourselves so that you don't get hurt. There we go. All right, let's see what's here. All right, guys, so here it is. This is the Tarmac Works Zonda Revolution. It says Bianco Benny. I'm pretty sure that's a race car driver. And it's got lots and lots of detail. Love the wheel choice. Love the interior. It appears to be red, black on top. On top of the wing, it says Pagani. This car is absolutely beautiful, guys. Look at that. And that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments which one of these two you like most. All right, guys. Take care. God bless. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Deuces.